What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And today's breaking news is that the hands-on video on the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now the Z Flip 4 has been one of the most successful Samsung Galaxy smartphone in the foldables, and here's the first look of that smartphone. Now, this video has been possible because of the TikTok TV and their leaks according from their sources. So at first glance, we can see that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 look exactly more identical towards its predecessor. But there are minor changes though. As the first changes has been about its depth and the crease. The crease this time has been a shallower ones, and it's turned out the rumors that were indeed true. Not only that, the Z Flip 4 do look better than the Flip 3, and the bezels of this smartphone are also minor when compared to the Flip 3. The punctual selfie cutout is being remained same, and not only that, the phone available right now in this one is in the black color, and you can also find that this phone will be coming with overall aesthetics as of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now the phone is indeed a lighter one than the previous generation, but it will be the gap between the hinge will be visible in this smartphone, and the cover screen is marginally bigger if you don't compare it towards the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Otherwise it's almost the same. The back camera will be of 12 megapixels of a dual camera setup and a front megapixel of a 10 megapixels camera, and you will be getting a better battery life, which is of 3700 milliamp battery. Now the charging will be capped at around 25 watts only, so no more exclusive fast charging will be seen in this smartphone, and the charger is indeed gone from this box. Now the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4 is expected to be launched on 10th of August, and it will go on sale on 26th August. So stay tuned for much updates about the smartphone, and also if you're planning to buy a new smartwatch, then the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is also around the corner. So I'll be sharing more videos and updates regarding the same in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.